Actor analysis is an analytical tool that can assist you in developing a strategy, which could, for example, be presented in a strategic action plan. The actor analysis as presented here consists of two steps: identifying actors and determining their goals. We'll start with the actor identification. Who are the actors or stakeholders involved in the problem situation we want to solve? Actors are organizations or persons that have an interest or power in the situation. Let's have a look at an example. Almost all the developed countries are trying to include more renewable energy in their energy mix because they want to reduce their carbon footprint. Who are involved in this problem? From the government, the Ministry of Economic Affairs is involved because energy supply is a crucial element to the economy. On the other hand, the Ministry of the Environment is involved because reducing the carbon footprint is crucial for the environment. Both ministries have the power to change the problem by enforcing laws and regulation. Energy consumers are interested as well because they want affordable and available energy. You could also think of NGOs or the energy intensive industry and the renewable energy industry as actors that should be considered. They are also actors that pop up when goals become concrete. When the municipality plans a wind farm near your house, you suddenly become involved in this bigger problem. It is very useful to make a list of actors involved to get a clear picture of the problem. There are many common mistakes in actor identification. However, maybe the most common one is forgetting important actors because of thinking from a certain solution. If you think from the solution building a wind farm in region A instead of from the problem including more renewable energy or lowering greenhouse gas emissions, the inhabitants of region A are stakeholders, but the shipping industry might not be. However, the shipping industry could be a stakeholder in the offshore wind farms becoming a possible solution. You may have already noticed that different actors have different perspectives and different interests. To complete the actor analysis, you must determine the goals of an actor and make these goals measurable. You can find their goals by interviewing them, looking for information online, or by diving into the minds of a certain actor. To ensure a goal is measurable, it should have a unit. A unit for CO2 emission is, for example, tons a year. Note that when you do not include per year, the value is not useful. Let's have a look at our example again. The Minister of Economic Affairs might have a goal such as reliability of electricity, measured in the average number of minutes per year that electricity is not available for customers. Actors can have multiple goals. This minister probably also wants the gross domestic product, measured in euros or dollars a year, to be as high as possible. Now let's look again at the Minister of the Environment. You can imagine that he or she wants the CO2 emissions and the amount of plastic dumped, both measured in tons a year, to be as low as possible. A common pitfall is that you make the goal or criterion not measurable. For example, you could say that inhabitants near a wind farm have the goal as least noise as possible. This is not incorrect but not measurable, which makes it less useful for your strategic action plan. Specify this goal, for example, in noise annoyance in hours a year, and maximize noise level in decibel. When you have made an overview of the goals of the actors, you can make a selection of the most important goals. About 5 are usually a good start, but that's only a start. To make a criterion from a goal, just remove words like lower, less and more from the goal. You can make the selection taking into account how many actors a goal is important. It's also good to check if your set of criteria is balanced. Did you include goals from all actors, like the government, companies and civil society? In the next video, we will continue using this set of criteria that you have obtained here. Hope to see you then.